Anxiety is often described as overreacting, worrying too much, or being weak. But anxiety isn't a character flaw, it's a nervous system doing its job, just a little too well. In this episode of Different, Not Deficient, we're looking at anxiety through a strength based lens. This content is educational and not a substitute for professional advice. Please seek guidance from a qualified professional if needed. Children and adults with anxiety are often told they worry too much or need to toughen up, but these behaviors aren't choices. They're signals from the nervous system that perceives threat more easily. Anxiety is the brain's way of trying to keep us safe. The problem isn't that the system exists, it's that it activates too often, even when there's no real danger. Different does not mean deficient. Anxious individuals often notice details others miss. They pick up changes in tone, environment, or emotion very quickly. This heightened awareness can become overwhelming, but it also comes with strengths. Many anxious children are deeply empathetic and responsible. They care intensely about doing things right and about how others feel. These are not small qualities, they matter. When anxiety is met with understanding instead of pressure, the nervous system can begin to settle. Support might include predictability, reassurance, emotional coaching, and reducing overwhelm. Safety, not force, builds confidence. Anxiety doesn't always look like fear. It can look like anger, avoidance, headaches, stomach ache, or perfectionism. Behavior is communication, not defiance. Anxious children aren't trying to be difficult. Their nervous systems are overwhelmed. When adults respond with calm and understanding, anxiety becomes manageable. Anxiety doesn't mean someone is weak or incapable. It means their nervous system needs support, not judgment. Anxiety tells us something about what a person needs in that moment. It should guide support and not define their identity. If this helped you to see anxiety differently, please share it with a parent, teacher, or adult who needs reassurance. Subscribe to the SA Teacher Next Door for more strength based conversations about diagnosis. When we change understanding, we change outcome.